And you can see here advances 38 and declines 11, and unchanged is 1. What do you mean by this? Out of 50 shares in Nifty 50, advancing shares are 38, which means there are 38 company shares out of 50 are going up, and 11 shares are declining, means going down. Okay, and there is one share which is completely unchanged. What do you mean by this? It means a share which is unchanged closes at 100 rupees, for example, closes at 100 rupees yesterday, and today it has opened at 100 rupees only, and till now it has not either increased or decreased. It is at 100 rupees only. Such shares are called unchanged shares. Normally such shares will be very less in Nifty 50 because there will be good volatility in Nifty 50, so unchanged shares will be less in Nifty 50. Okay, coming out of this website, you can see top 5 stocks of Nifty 50, top 5 stocks of gainers, top 5 stocks of losers. You can see here these 5 shares out of Nifty 50 are strong. They are the gainers in the entire Nifty 50. And these 5 shares in the entire Nifty 50 are losers. You can see in the classroom, right? Few score more marks, few score very less marks. In the same way, out of 50 shares listed in Nifty 50, these 5 companies shares today are running, they are gainers, they are increasing, and these 50 shares are declining. Okay, these are the worst stocks, 5 worst stocks, and these are the 5 best stocks today as far as today is concerned. Okay, and this is about Nifty 50. If you click Nifty next 50, then the gainers have changed. See, the gainers have changed. These are the 5 gainers of Nifty next 50, and these are the 5 losers of Nifty next 50, and this is the intraday chart of Nifty next 50, and this is Nifty mid cap 50. See, again the gainers list and losers list have changed. Can you observe? The intraday chart also has changed. Okay, this is about Nifty mid cap 50, and this is Nifty bank. Again the gainers and losers have changed. The chart has changed. This is Nifty bank. If you want to see all the indices listed in NSE, you need to go to market data and click indices here. You can see all the broader indices which are listed in NSE. So you can see this. These are the broader market indices which are listed in NSE. Anyhow, you know this Nifty 50. Okay, this is one of the index, most important index of NSE. All strong 50 companies, financially sound companies are listed in Nifty 50, and then other indices also are listed here. Okay, this is Nifty next 50, this is Nifty 100, this is Nifty 200, Nifty 500. All mid caps, 50 mid caps are listed here. Another 100 mid cap companies are listed here. 100 small caps are listed here. Right now, forget about India VIX. Nifty small cap indices are listed here. Okay, and coming down, you can see all sectoral indices here. All sectoral indices here. Those who have done exercise in Telegram know that there are different sectors, there are different industries. Okay, for example, SBI belongs to bank, Tata Steel belongs to metals. Okay, likewise each company belongs to one particular sector. Okay, all these companies have been grouped according to different sectors, and these sectoral indices are constructed. See how many sectoral indices are there. Nifty Bank, all banking companies are listed in this. Nifty Auto, all automobile two-wheeler and four-wheeler companies like Maruti, Hero Motorcorp, Bajaj are listed here. Nifty Financial Services. So all banking and non-banking financial services are grouped in this, and FMCG companies are grouped in that, and all IT related companies are grouped in IT, and all companies in media, like for example GTV, Sun TV, are grouped in this. All metal stocks, for example JSW Steel, Tata Steel, are grouped in this Nifty Metal. Okay, now I want to see Nifty 50. I want to see all shares, 50 shares which are listed in Nifty 50. What you need to do is you need to click Nifty 50. Here you can see all 50 shares of Nifty 50. I want to see this in alphabetical order. Click here. Now all these 50 shares are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, you can see here. See, Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Axis Bank. Okay. Can you find Ambuja Cements here? No. And then come BPCL, come down. Britannia, Cipla, Coal India. Okay. All these companies are there. See, Grasim. Can you see Gale? No. Can you see Ambuja Cement? Can you see Gale here? No, you can't see. Because these companies were under Nifty 50, but recently NSE has removed these companies and listed in some other index and added two more companies in this place in Nifty 50. NSE will be doing this so frequently. So that's why you need to refer this website so that you will come to know the updated information